Hi guys! With this tutorial we are going through the issue of replacing the hot wire on your P400. Let's have a look. Well, the situation is this. We have one electrode, one side, with just the screw, and on the other side the spring. Well, my advice is to make the first connection on the first side without the spring. Just take care that the hot wire will touch some metallic part of the electrode. Just do a couple of round around itself of the wire. Now insert the other hand of the hot wire on the spring. Okay. Keep with the aim of the tweezers a bit in tension the spring. Alright, like this. And now do the same on the side. As I said, just a couple of turns. Alright, the main important thing is that at the end of this operation the spring will be in tension, so when you will supply the hot wire the displacement will be won by the spring. Alright, that's it. Oh, sorry, just cut this ends and this other of the hot wire and to have a clean work.